Ginger. Like with any other ingredient, we're trying to keep as much possible as the flesh. I'm going to show you one technique to remove the skin by using just a spoon. You just use the tip of the spoon and you go against the ginger. And this removes only the skin. It doesn't take out any of the flesh. Another way to do it is by using the back of your knife. What you don't want to do is use the sharp knife and go against the ginger because it will remove way too much for this expensive ingredient. One very common cut is straight down into roundels, which means round. Another great technique would be into very small dice. So we're going to do slices, then sticks, then small brunoise. So let's go. If you're not going to cook it, a very easy way as well is to use a zester.